Buongiorno, my friends. This is Lidia Bastianich. You know, in the kitchen, when the right ingredients come together, something truly special happens. And that's what's happening here at WPSU. For years, this station has served Central Pennsylvania with trusted news, inspiring stories, and a love of learning. And now, with the full support of Penn State's Board of Trustees, WHYY will join the mix and blend to create something even more delicious. Stronger coverage, deeper connection, and more voices from across your communities. But, like any other great recipe, it takes you to make it complete. Your support right now will help ensure a smooth transition and keep WPSU's local voice vibrant and independent. So please take a moment to give at wpsu.org/donate or call 814-863-5635.